We know numerous campers and RVers that love Harbor Freight. They have a sidewalk sale going on this week of June, and if you're an Inside Track Club member, you can get the deals early. For those of us that are not Inside Track Club members, we can get these deals starting on Friday. I won't do a lot of talking, but check it out, see if there's anything that you're interested in. I know there may be a couple repeats, but this was a pretty quick video because I wanted to get this information out because I have quite a few of you that have been interested in the Harbor Freight stuff. So I hope you find something that you enjoy. Let us know down in the comments.